Alright, this song's called Coffee and Cigarettes.
What do you have prepared for us tonight?
You don't really believe in preparation.
No?
We have a pasta bolognese with the side of a green salad with a balsamic vinegar dressing, and followed by a tiramisu and grappa.
And 23 songs.
23 songs or something.
What's the main theme throughout the new album?
This one was without a theme as much as our last record. We decided not to do a concept EP.
So it's like you said before, like the concerts. Nothing is prepared in front. So.
Just kind of winging it.
Our motto is winging it for way too long.
Okay. What's there?
Fungus eating spider.